Mr. President.
Welcome.
Good to meet you. My pleasure.
Let's see you.
Thank you very much.
Take a picture. Bring it up over physical distance. We are begging you final. We suppose that in the next 2 to 3 years we can complete everything from just from Pristina to Slovenia towards North Macedonia. So we should take some lessons from it regarding the basic infrastructure. And that the whole protocol have been arranged one time instead because we were before that situation when the Prime Minister of Kosovo will come and discuss about all of this. So I think you have been